Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to log in to your Frost Bank account on your phone. Step 1. Start by unlocking your phone and open the App Store. In the search bar, type Frost Bank and tap Get or Update. Step 2. Once the app installs, tap the Frost icon on your home screen to open it. Step 3. On the login screen, tap the box labeled username. Tap in the same username you used for Frost online banking. Step 4. Now tap the password box and tap your password. Double check for correct spelling, capital letters and symbols. If you forgot your password, tap to forgot passwords. Step 5. After logging, tap the app may ask if you want to enable Face ID or Touch ID. And that's it. That's how to log in to the Frost Bank app on your phone. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.